Do you want to know how a Canadian startup went from zero to a financial powerhouse managing over $84 billion in assets in just over a decade? It's a story of disruption, simplicity, and aggressive expansion, the journey of Wealthsimple. When CEO Michael Katchen founded the company in 2014, the mission was simple: make investing effortless for everyone. At the time, Canadian investing was dominated by the big banks, expensive, complex, and intimidating for younger generations. Wealthsimple's initial answer was the robo-advisor model. They offered automated, low-fee, diversified portfolios, a stark contrast to the high-fee mutual funds offered by traditional firms. This simplicity and transparency immediately resonated with digital-first investors, laying the foundational layer of their client base and initial assets under management. The product Blitz, becoming a financial hub. The true turning point, and the reason for their meteoric growth, was realizing that people don't just want an investment account, they want a simple financial hub. The first major pivot was the 2019 launch of Wealthsimple Trade. This was a seismic event in Canadian finance. By offering commission-free stock and ETF trading, they broke down a major barrier to entry. This one product single-handedly brought in a massive wave of new, younger, and more active traders. Next came the smart diversification. Wealthsimple Crypto made them Canada's first regulated crypto trading platform. Wealthsimple Tax introduced a free, easy-to-use tax filing service, drawing in millions of users who they could then convert to investing clients. Wealthsimple Cash and the introduction of new checking and high-interest savings options further solidified their role in everyday finance. Each new product acted as a customer acquisition funnel for the others, leading to an incredible consolidation of client wealth onto their platform. The acceleration to $84 billion AUM. The final phase of growth was their success in capturing the high-net-worth segment. Wealthsimple recognized that their clients were growing up and getting wealthier. They didn't just dump the young investors, they evolved with them. They introduced premium tiers like Generation and Private Wealth, offering lower fees, dedicated human advisors, and sophisticated features like private equity and direct indexing. This convinced established, wealthier clients, many with over $1 million in assets, to move their entire financial lives over. This combination of mass market appeal through commission-free trading and premium sophistication for high-net-worth clients proved to be the winning strategy. The growth became exponential, with the company doubling its assets under administration multiple times in just a few years. By mid-2025, that relentless focus on simplicity, low-cost access, and a full suite of financial products paid off, catapulting them to over $84 billion in assets under management, and firmly cementing their position as the leading challenger to Canada's traditional banking system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.